force of winter hit us this holiday weekend, starting with the dangerous wind chills and the biggest snowstorm of the season.
From a quick Google search, I learned that Vermont receives the most snowfall out of any other state. I can agree with that. And on top of the snowfall, it can get really cold, like -degrees cold. And with the cold and with the snow, a simple trip to CVS can take 30 minutes of prep time. So let's take a trip to CVS in a snowstorm. So the first trick to surviving leaving the house is layers. So my base layer is leggings and a shirt, putting on wool socks, pair of jeans, a hoodie. I mean, obviously I'm wearing my Vermont hoodie. And then we've got the winter layers. So we've got the snow boots, a scarf, the warmest coat you own. And now we go outside and hope that I can get my car started and cleared off. Always have one of these. I actually have two. Just dropped my phone in the snow. Okay, time to try and get out of here. I'm gonna have to blast through this snow. We're experiencing a minor sliding. Oh, yep, sliding. That was like the most terrifying moment of my life. I went like 5 miles per hour. This was a bad idea, but we're going in CVS. We're in CVS. We got it. So I think my overall takeaways from this whole situation is Vermont's very pretty. I love the snow, that's why I live here. But maybe it's not the smartest to go out in a snowstorm. I got my things. I didn't even really have a reason to go to CVS, so I will be spending the remainder of this snowstorm in my bed, eating the Tonight Dough, and wearing a face mask.